Hello everyone. Good morning. Markets edgy, volatile as it was advised last week, and as we speak, there are some minor gains both on the Sensex and Nifty. But like I mentioned, I think 10,300, 10,500 spot would remain a zone wherein there is going to be profit booking. Even if you look at the put call side, there has been some indicators that going above 10,500 looks to be difficult, at least in the near term. Similarly, on the Sensex, 35,000, 35,300, 400 remains to be a very sticky zone wherein you will see profit booking coming into the market. Numbers that we've seen over the last couple of days have been much better than expected. And my sense is now with almost curtain down, we should be looking forward for the first quarter of this financial year. And like most of us understand, because of the lockdown, there is going to be a disappointment on the earnings front, especially the first quarter of this financial year. I think we'll have to just wait and watch in terms of how worst the numbers are going to be, depending upon service industry and manufacturing sector. So again, choppiness, volatility will be there, though this is a fresh beginning of a new contract on the F&O side for the month of July. But since we are trading at the higher end of the band, I don't think there's going to be much action. But if in case there is going to be some amount of news flow that is not going to be supportive, I think that's something that we'll have to worry about. On the geopolitical front, status quo, I think one will have to just wait and watch what's the news flow over there. And in terms of the Chinese/Wuhan virus/COVID-19, again, there has been some amount of flattening of numbers, at least in the state of Mumbai and some places in Maharashtra. We have to wait and watch as to what happens in the other state. So those news flows also will be something that will be driving the market. And of course, we all heard the Honorable Prime Minister yesterday when he addressed the nation. I think we are going to see some amount of headwinds in terms of news flow as far as this epidemic is concerned. But I think having said that, markets have discounted all of these, whether it is COVID-19, whether it is Wuhan virus, Chinese virus, whether it is Chinese aggression on the LAC, and markets have shown some resilience. So my sense is that 10,300, 500 Nifty spot higher side will be the resistance. 10,200 to 10,100, 200 will be the levels where you will see some amount of bottom. So trade with this range in mind. Higher levels, book profits. If you get correction closer to the levels that I mentioned, you can enter into the market purely from a trading perspective. And if you are investors, I think great time to buy some good businesses with justified management and corporate visibility and earnings visibility. So keep this in mind and trade with cautious, but this is going to be a choppy market at least for the next couple of days or weeks. Thank you all. See you again next week. Bye-bye.